As the sacred month of Sawan unfolds, marked by significant spiritual vitality, a wave of Kanwar pilgrims traverses India. Their mission to collect sacred water from rivers and dedicate it at Shiva temples. This year's pilgrimage takes a surprising turn, leading us to the historic gates of the Taj Mahal. A female Kanwar, a devout follower of Lord Shiva, arrives at the Taj Mahal with a unique purpose. She claims divine direction to offer her Kanwar water at what she believes is Tejo Mahalaya, a site historically contested as a former Hindu temple. However, she is met with police barricades, highlighting the tension between maintaining public order and respecting personal religious expression. The Kanwariya's assertion, "I have come to offer my Kanwar to Lord Shiva as he called me," clashes with legal frameworks protecting the Taj Mahal. A landmark 2000 Supreme Court ruling prohibits any litigation regarding the monument's ownership, securing its status under judicial protection. In 2015, lawyers Hari Shankar Jain and Ranjana Agnihotri sought to recognize the Taj Mahal as Tejo Mahalaya, but their plea was rejected by the Agra Civil Court. The Archaeological Survey of India and the central government provided historical evidence supporting the monument's Mughal origins. Further complicating matters, in May 2022, the Allahabad High Court dismissed a PIL demanding an investigation into Hindu symbols at the site. The court criticized the petition for trivializing the PIL system. The Taj Mahal, constructed by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz, stands at the center of a legal and cultural controversy. While some Hindu organizations claim it was originally Tejo Mahalaya, the ASI maintains its status as an Islamic edifice. This incident not only highlights the individual spiritual quest of the female Kanwariya, but also reignites a complex legal debate over the Taj Mahal's identity. The legal system continues to mediate these conflicts, reflecting broader questions about cultural narratives and the intersection of faith with heritage in modern India. As the debate persists, the true essence of the Taj Mahal remains shrouded in legal and historical ambiguities. Is it an enduring symbol of love crafted by a Mughal emperor, or does it hold a deeper spiritual significance? The answer continues to elude a definitive resolution. Stay tuned to Law Street Journal for more updates and insights.